Today I am going to cover MS Office topics with fundamentals of computer. Okay, first for the syllabus of MS Office, they are your paper 1 is fundamentals, second topic is MS Windows, and the second paper 2 is MS Office paper. In that subtopics are MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. The main paper 1, so here it contains fundamentals MS Windows. These are the basics of fundamentals of MS Office, where we can cover what is computer, what are the parts of computer, what are input output devices in fundamental. And next topic is your Windows, MS Windows, Microsoft Windows, where we can cover files, folders, Windows introduction, MS Notepad, WordPad, Paint, all basics we can cover in paper 1. Later we can move to paper 2, actual topic starts here, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So in this, we'll see here, we'll go for your fundamental topic now. We'll start fundamental topic, fundamentals of computer. So in fundamentals, this is paper 1 of MS Office syllabus. In fundamentals, the first thing is here, what is computer? Computer means what? What is computer? So computer is an electronic device. So what is a computer? It's an electronic device. What is an electronic device? Means here computer is an electronic device, but what is an electronic device? Means an electronic device is a device in which it takes input information, where it can go for process, where it stores your data as well as, and it gives you some output. So that means electronic device is a device in which it takes your input, it processes, it stores information and it gives you a result or output, is known as electronic device. But here computer is an electronic device, that we can agree, but all electronic devices are not computers. All electronic devices are not computers, but all computers are electronic devices. But any type of electronic device, whether it may be a mobile phone or computer or any other calculator, all that belongs to electronic devices only. But all electronic devices can function only in this mode called input, it takes, it processes, it stores and it gives a result. Such device is known as always electronic device. Okay, now we'll see here what is here particularly in which it takes input, we are saying. So input is nothing but, suppose for example here 2, 3, suppose you assume that 2, 3 is the input, suppose. So it has to process, means it has to do something, it has to do some process. Suppose I want to add this values, that is known as a process, but addition is a not process. So what is process we'll see, and later it stores the data in a particular unit called storage unit, and after that it releases the data called here information or data. So computer is an electronic device in which it takes input information by using some process, it converts into some output or format data. Suppose here, actually this is only an example or assumption. A computer accept input. Example is 2, 3. Computer can process the information. So 2 plus 3 or 2 minus 3 or 2 into 3, whatever it may be. So this is called your process. It stores and it gives a result. But without input, without process, so it won't store data. It won't so it won't give any output. So suppose if the device in which it won't take your input, it won't go for process, still it can able to give some output. Such device is not an electronic device. Always. So the device in which it takes input, it processes, it stores and it gives a result is known as electronic device. But some devices are the devices which will not take any input, which won't go for any process, still it can able to give result. No, that devices are not electronic devices. That devices can be treated as magic devices but not electronic devices. So our particular thing is the device in which it takes input, it processes, stores and it gives a result. Now this is called electronic device, and computer is also an electronic device. But if you go for this, what is input? If you see, input means here what? So input is what is process, what is storage, what is your output. So these things we can cover now. If you cover all these things, now we can able to know about computer. So input is nothing but, according to computer, input is nothing but it's an initial information. So what type of information is this? Initial information or starting information. So initial information or starting information that has given by whom? User. So that means according to computer or according to electronic device, so input is initial or starting information given by the user. And process. So what is process? Process is nothing but work done by the system for getting here what is nothing but work done by the system for getting output is called process. So whatever work it can do, so with the help of that work can able to give some result. That type of work is known as process. So that means addition is not a process. So work done by the system for getting output is called process. Suppose I want to get 5 as output, according to this input we need to go for addition. And 6, I want to get 6 as output, I can use here multiplication. I want to get minus 1 as a result, I can use here subtraction. Means here addition is not a process, subtraction is not process, multiplication is not process. Work done by system for getting output is called process. So here next thing is here what? Storage. So storage is nothing but storage is a place where computer information can be stored. Suppose you assume that, so I have a pen. So pen is a particular item that can be stored in the form of pad. So pad is the area where pens can be stored. Similarly, so bag is the area where books can be stored. Similarly, this computer storage is the area where computer information can be stored. So that means storage is a place where system information can be stored. This is input, process, storage. And the next thing is here output. So what is output means, according to this electron device or computer, output is nothing but at last what we can get from this input and process. What are the information we can able to get, that can be treated as output. So that means output is nothing but, so it's a final information or here result we can say. So this is about your computer. What is computer means? Computer is an electronic device in which it takes initial information by using some process. It can able to convert into final information. Such device is known as a computer. So how we can explain this computer whenever your interviewer will ask. So computer is an electronic device in which it takes initial information, it processes information, it stores information, and it gives final information or result. Such device is known as computer or electronic device. Okay, so this is about your computer, including the input and your input process storage. Now, what is input you know? What is output you know? So input is initial information and output is final information. What is the difference between input and output? Here initial and final is a one type of one difference is there. Another difference is here input and output. There is one more difference. Okay, difference is there. That is here input is always irrelevant information. It's not a format information. Input is always irrelevant information. There is no sufficient meaning. There is no here. So particular meaning. There is no particular meaning for input. Hence it is known as unformatted information or irrelevant information. And after that, whatever the input it goes process and stores data. At last we can able to find your final information. No. At last, whatever the information we can get, the information is always here relevant information. So according to computer or electronic device, input is irrelevant information, output is relevant information. So this is a particular computer electronic device class.